opened your network setup and been completely lost in a sea of identical Ethernet cables? That's where colored Ethernet connectors can save you a lot of time and frustration. Using colored connectors isn't just about looks, it's about enhanced organization, efficiency, and safety. By assigning a color to each type of connection, you can instantly tell which cable goes where without tracing it end to end. For example, you might use a black for your main internet uplink, blue for your PCs, yellow for your IP phones, red for smart TVs, and green for cameras. It's a simple system that makes troubleshooting and upgrading so much faster. Compare this to where every cable looks exactly the same to this, where colors give you a clear roadmap. If a device goes down, you'll know exactly which cable to check, whether it was you who set the network up or not, simply by using colored connectors. Colored connectors also reduce human errors with simplified troubleshooting. When everything looks exactly the same, mistakes happen. But with colored connectors, you reduce the downtime and keep your network stable. So whether you're setting up a home lab, managing a business network, colored Ethernet connectors add clarity, speed, and reliability. It's a small detail that makes a huge difference. Stay organized, troubleshoot faster, and reduce mistakes. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more network tips, and don't forget to leave a comment. And until next time.